Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius A sign. So today reading is about your person current feelings, especially the person on your mind, their intentions and outcome suggestion. And this reading is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see messages for Aquarius A sign. This side your person current feeling, this side yours and middle mutual. So let's see, first we will see your person current feelings towards. And yours. Let's see the mutual. Let's clarify the cards. Let's clarify the mutual. High Priestess with the Emperor under the deck. I think you both are listening to your intuition, trusting your higher guides. High Priestess and Emperor, King of Wands. I think you both are working on yourselves also, self-growth. But one person is very committed in this relationship, but one person is in and out of other person's life. So I am seeing one type of ending between you and your person right now. A lot of you are in separation. For some, you are in no contact. Even though you are in relationship, this is on and off connection. So Aquarius, let's see your person current feeling, strength and magician. Right now they are working on their self, on their self growth, because the strength card. Maybe right now they're missing you because the tower moment with three of swords. They are very heartbroken. They're very sad. They're going through a lot. That's why they are working on their self. Because for some you are in separation. That's why they're feeling like this. And Ten of Swords with King of Cups. They do love you. They still want rebirth in this connection. Maybe now they're realizing your worth. The strength with Magician. For some, they are manifesting you. But now they're going through a lot and they're missing you. Three of Swords with Tower moment. And Ten of Swords. They still want rebirth. Yes, they're very tired. They're very sad. But they still want to be with you. And your feelings, Eight of Pentacles with Three of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, the Hermit, Queen of Pentacles with Ace of Wands. Right now you are working on your finances, on your abundance. In this relationship, there is no equal give and take. Maybe your person is in and out of your life. They are not available to you emotionally when you need them. That's why you decided to walk away from this connection. Eight of Cups and Hermit. You isolated from all and thinking everything in detail. Then you made a decision that you have to work on yourself, on your abundance especially, because Eight of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles, everything is about abundance, finances. So you are working hard towards your goals after walking away from this connection. And Ace of Wands, yeah, you started something new in your life, in finances, in career especially. But what I'm getting here, you are very honest in this connection. You always there for your person when you are with this person, but they are in and out of your life. That's why you fed up with that energy. Then you decided to move on. And mutual energies, Page of Pentacles with Nine of Cups. Maybe one person will initiate communicate in near future with other person. And wish fulfillment. Definitely wish fulfillment I am saying. Maybe you both wishing for this, but right now you are not emotionally opening up to anybody. Yes, you it's still interested, but you are working on yourself. But your person missing you so much now they're realizing you both. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Leo or Virgo. So let's see your person intentions. Aquarius. Ace of Swords with Six of Pentacles. See, there is no equal give and take in this connection in past, but now maybe they treated you as an option, but now they're really thinking about to offer equal give and take. And Ace of Swords, communication. They want to communicate and they want to give clarity. So let's see their intentions. For some children also involved in this connection, one person is already married. See, Three of Wands, Ace of Cups, and Queen of Cups, and Five of Swords. And your person still thinking about the issues which had happened between both of you. They do love you. They do love you for sure, because Ace of Cups and Queen of Cups, their love towards you is overflowing. In action wise, to be honest, they are not going to make any action, but they keep waiting on you. They're waiting on you, because Three of Wands, for some you both live in different cities, countries, or states, long distance relationship. Yeah, they're waiting. And Three of Cups, they're waiting for reconciliation. For some third party situation also involved in this connection, maybe you initiate contact with them, you send message to them, because Page of Pentacles, there will some communication between you and your person, but right now your person missing you, they're suffering in silence, but you are working on yourself. Yes, they do love you, but they're not expressing, they're waiting. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on. An outcome. The Fool. Hermit. Yeah. Three of Swords again. You both now missing each other a lot. Right now, yeah, King of Swords, the Hermit, and Fool. First, you both have to heal from this pain, especially your person. Right now, there are Three of Swords and the Tower moment. So, you are spiritually awakening. I think right now, this connection is stuck. And King of Swords, yeah, you're both wishing for new beginnings with each other, but it will take time, because right now your person is waiting on you, but you are working on yourself. The type of situation, Three of Swords and Knight of Swords. Yes, for some you will receive communication, or you will contact them. There will be some communication in future. So let's see the suggestion. Judgment. For some, maybe one person or both going through some legal issues. Judgment with the Sun. Wow. What is happening right now? Maybe it will turn into positive, because the Sun with Judgment, you both have to make some decision regarding this relationship, some awareness, and Sun, definitely there is some positive is coming. Right now maybe the situations are difficult, but it will turn into positive. And Five of Wands with Nine of Pentacles, so a lot of drama is going right now, but it is temporary, guys. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I always thinking about you. I'm just not ready yet. Yes, because they are waiting on you. And will you forgive me? Friendship, for some you both are very very good friends. For some they are keep putting you in friendship zone. I am not feeling good enough for you, I am serious about you. So the messages are, I am serious about you, I always thinking about you, I am just not ready yet, will you forgive me, I am not feeling good enough for you, and friendship. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Your hard work is paying off. New moon in Capricorn, Capricorn energy. Meditate and contemplate. So if you're doing hard work to fulfill your dreams, definitely your hard work will pay off, and meditate and contemplate. So especially you or your person going through a lot of heartbreaks right now, this is the message for you, meditate. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please do like. Thank you.